Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's me, Chuck, and I'm back with another video, and today we're here with a slime video. So I have four different slimes that I want to try out, but they're all going to be in separate videos, 3 videos. So let's get into the first video. So this is going to be Noisy Putty. I've showed you guys some Noisy Putty before, but this is a slime but Noisy Putty. Because that other one was a noisy putty, like it was weird putty. This is more of a slime putty, and it is noisy. So I will show you this. It's this it's good. It's pretty good to, I would say, as a slime. But because you have to dig just to break through it, so that's a clear sign that it's a good slime, and I really like it. So watch. As you see, it's the Noisy Putty version. I really like it. The texture of it is very good. It's the normal Noisy Putty, I guess, if you guys ever had that. So basically there's that. You can break it off into little pieces. It's a little hard, but you can. And play with it. It's pretty good. What do you guys think of my new setup, by the way? I have my tripod there. Don't worry about that, but it's... Well, about my green screen and stuff, I'm setting up things, but, yeah, so, here it is, one last look of it. This isn't me trying to take it apart and, making a hole in it, but, this is, you guys understand. Yeah, so it's a very good slime, very good putty. So in this video, I'll show you the rest of the slimes that are going to be in the next 2 slime videos. There's one that's going to be posted on Easter, and this one will be posted tonight, probably around 8 o'clock. This will be posted around 7:10, so. Alright, so let me put this away. It's so hard to put this stuff away. Alright. So there's that. We have this beauty here. Oh, it smells like Sharpies. And it's a good container too. And hold on one second. These. So you'll not know what is inside of these until tomorrow. So stay tuned. And with that, subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications for more slime videos and updates tomorrow about the egg slime. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.